Hi, this is Alex from 3D Print Academy, and in this short video I'm going to show you a little bit of our level 2 FDM insight training. In this particular tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a custom group or a custom infill of a segment of a 3D printed part and how to generate the toolpaths within that as well. So at the moment I've got this part here and it's actually in well, it's a bit of an awkward orientation to be honest, so I'm going to change that so it's a bit more suitable for printing. Pick that bottom face and I've now got that there. I can now set up my printer. So it's a Fortus 450 FDM printer with the ABS as the material, SR30 support and a slice height of 0.01. Click the tick mark and automatically slice the model. That's going to do its thing. There we go. I can now flip to the very top view so that I'm looking at it in a kind of bird's eye view there, and I'm actually wanting to create a custom infill on this little triangle here. So I can go to Toolpaths and Custom Groups, select New and give it a name. So we'll call this Sparse. The reason being is I'm actually going to put a sparse infill on this segment. So all the other segments are going to have a solid infill. This one's going to be a sparse. Quite advantageous to do so. In some parts of your model you may want to have them more hollow or denser in other areas dependent on forces that are acting on them. As well, the different infills will also reflect how fast the part is to print and how strong it is. So a sparse is less strong than a solid, but will print faster. So I'm going to create this as sparse. I'm also able to assign a display color too to help me better differentiate different contours and different styles and different infills as well. I'm going to select this to a multiple contour with a contour width of 0.02. I'm going to have 3 of those contours running around the edge of the triangle. The infill is going to be sparse, and I'm just going to set the adjacent raster to 0.1. I can click the tick mark once I've set that up, and then click a closed boundary within that part to apply that infill to. So I'm going to select this one here. At the moment, nothing's really been done. If I just click Add, it just changes to blue. To actually see the toolpaths that's going to create, I have to generate them. So by clicking this button here, that will generate those toolpaths, and you'll see Insight's now calculating that there. So on the first layer, it's all solid. But as I move up the layers using this button here, you'll see that as we hit the triangles, that this middle segment now has a custom kind of toolpath in comparison to the others. So all the others are solid and this one's sparse. So you can, if I wanted to create all these as different types of infills, I can even modify an existing one. So we'll change this one to hexagonal now, regenerate the toolpaths, and you'll see that it's now got hexagonal infill. So if you'd like more information on that, please visit the website. I hope the video has been useful to you. And if you have any additional comments on that, please do feel free to pop them in the comments section below. Thank you very much.